this world? What have they done to us?
Check this out.
Thinking about this today, can you imagine what yesterday would have been like if you couldn't post whatever you wanted on social media? Like, look at this. Secret Service rushes Trump off after popping noises heard at Pennsylvania rally. Trump escorted away after loud noises at PA rally with a picture of him with blood on his face. Trump whisked off stage in Pennsylvania after loud noises rang through the crowd. Ex-U.S. president walked off stage. He walked off. Trump removed from stage after loud noises startles former president. Secret Service rushes Trump off stage after he falls at rally. This one is crazy. Forbes put this out an hour ago. Will surviving gunfire be Trump's next appeal to black voters? No. Where's the link? No, I don't believe it.
And there it is.
The article has been deleted. It was so bad that Forbes got rid of it. They took it down. That's so fucked. Archive it? If somebody can give me a link. Got it. Okay. Oh my God. The release of his criminal mugshot deeply resonated with black voters. Hopefully being shot doesn't have to be...
That's fucking...
How
ironic. Bad is it?
This is ironic racism again. This is just ironic racism again. Like they
I don't even know if it's racism, man. They're just trying, like the media are just being... People are obviously throwing money at them, and legacy media is desperate for money. Write anything you can to sway anyone that wants to be swayed. Because you know what it's like. When someone doesn't like him, they don't need a real excuse. They just need a headline, and they're like, yep, that'll do. That's good. That'll do. As if you say popping noises. Now, I have, because we're coming in real hard right now, seemingly supporters. I'm not a Trumper. No, I don't support Donald Trump.
From the start. Yeah.
From the start. I'm not a big, huge, I think Trump's the fucking man. I enjoy laughing at how hectic the dude is and how un-PC he is. I don't know. I don't think he's as evil as they try to make out, but I also don't think he's some fucking savior. I don't know. People think that he's a plant, but then again, me and Tom are supposed to be plants too by the same.
That, haven't we? Yeah.
You know, like so when you suddenly start getting people start saying that you're from the and what we got a podcast with a couple of thousand people a week. Come on, man. How are we supposed to... where's my paycheck then, dude? I'm not getting any coin. If I'm a shill, where's my payout?